Cheese spread. Ooh. Don't skimp. Bacon. Bacon. Ooh, 3 strips is good. Put a lid on it. I have to take a bite of this. Then we'll talk. 'Cause there's a story here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that looks good. Oh, here we go. Oh, memory lane. Memory lane. All right, I gotta eat it. I'm taking a bite. Here we go. I got the whole bacon. That is so good. I'm taking one more bite. I have to. And then we'll talk. There's a story. Oh. I'm so bleeping happy. So you saw the pictures at the beginning. The Minuteman Restaurant of Morristown, New Jersey, Mount Kemble Avenue. It opened in the 60s. It's still open today. I used to go there in the 70s with my family. I have to take another bite. We have to take another bite. Oh. I'm just saying. I'll fast forward all my chewing. I remember this burger being called the Benedict Arnold. They have it on the menu today as the Benjamin Franklin. I really want to call them and see if I remember it incorrectly. Maybe they changed it from Benedict Arnold. Take another bite, man. Whole piece of bacon. And some cheese. So there was this burger in the 70s. I'd go there with my family. I'd order the Benedict Arnold. Port wine cheese spread. I've tried to make this in the past. It's probably been a couple of years. There's another brand called Kauna. It's Kaunna or something like that. I think I got that at Publix. I got this at Walmart this morning because I knew we were making homemade. I already tasted it. It's not good. So I tried to make this burger a couple times in the past using store-bought port wine cheese spread. I never liked it. There was something off. Let's do a side-by-side. Why did I add the Sazón con Azafran? Because it had color. One of my earlier batches I used cream cheese just like we did today, but I didn't add any color and it was very pale. And just so you know, beta carotene for color, red 40. So don't think this is natural. I love the color this came out on. Now I did mix it up a little bit when I brought it out of the fridge. And you can make the swirls bigger. Side by side, I have not done this yet. Zeta's port wine cheese spread. It's sharp. You're supposed to use sharp cheese. I like that. That's what I remember. Here we go. It's much firmer. Okay, this has been out a while. Okay, let's try the Mercatises. Let's try it. It's gross. I don't like it. It tastes processed. I bought it this morning to compare. Doesn't that look good? It's like I'm there again. Even the inside of the Minuteman looks like it did in this. It's like all wood tables and chairs. It's wonderful. I'm so glad the Minuteman is still there. All these places are closing, you know, we're getting older. And they've still got the port wine cheeseburger. Oh, one more bite. Come on, that's what I do. Oh. Oh. What's today? Tuesday? Up. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.